Berries are a group of small, colorful, and flavorful fruits that are known for their rich nutritional content and numerous health benefits. Some of the most common types of berries include strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Here are the benefits of consuming berries and how to include them in your diet. Benefits of berries. 1. High in antioxidants. Berries are loaded with antioxidants, such as anthocyanins and flavonoids, which help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. This can reduce the risk of chronic diseases and slow the aging process. 2. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Berries are excellent sources of essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, manganese, and folate. 3. Fiber-rich. Berries are high in dietary fiber, which can promote digestive health, aid in weight management, and help control blood sugar levels. 4. Heart health. Regular consumption of berries has been linked to improved heart health by reducing blood pressure, lowering cholesterol levels, and decreasing the risk of heart disease. 5. Brain health. The antioxidants in berries may support brain health and cognitive function. They are believed to reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. 6. Anti-inflammatory properties. Berries contain natural anti-inflammatory compounds that may help reduce inflammation in the body, which is associated with various chronic diseases. 7. Weight management. The high fiber content in berries can promote feelings of fullness and help control appetite, making them a valuable addition to a weight management plan. How to consume berries. 1. Fresh. Eating fresh, ripe berries is a delightful way to enjoy them. Simply rinse them and eat as a snack, add them to your cereal or yogurt, or use them in salads and desserts. 2. Frozen. Frozen berries are a convenient option. They can be added to smoothies, oatmeal, or used in baking. Frozen berries retain their nutritional value. 3. Smoothies. Blend berries with yogurt, milk, or a dairy-free alternative to create a delicious and nutritious smoothie. 4. Jam and preserves. Use berries to make homemade jams or preserves that can be spread on toast, added to desserts, or used as a topping for pancakes and waffles. 5. Salads. Berries can add a burst of flavor to green salads. They pair well with various greens, nuts, and cheese. 6. Desserts. Berries are often used in desserts like pies, tarts, and cobblers. Consider incorporating them into healthier dessert options, like yogurt parfaits. 7. Baking. Berries can be added to muffins, pancakes, and bread for a fruity twist. 8. Oatmeal. Top your morning oatmeal with a handful of fresh or frozen berries for added flavor and nutrition. 9. Trail mix. Combine dried berries with nuts and seeds to create a nutritious and portable snack. 10. Infused water. Add a handful of berries to a pitcher of water for a refreshing and naturally flavored beverage. It's important to remember that while berries are incredibly nutritious, a balanced diet should include a variety of foods to ensure you receive a wide range of nutrients. Enjoying a colorful assortment of fruits and vegetables is an excellent way to support your overall health.